Hi guys, good afternoon to all. Welcome to the channel about jobs. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to sharing important information. It's the latest requirements from Oman. I hope you are from that Oman is a Gulf country. So if you are interested and if you are looking for a job in Oman, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep watching this video up to end. I'm going to sharing a latest requirements from Oman. I'll share with you the positions, the applying process, what is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs. So in this video, I'm going to sharing about everything details about the latest requirements from Oman. So please keep watching this video now. You can see here need for a leading insurance company workshop in Oman. There is a leading insurance company workshop in Oman. They need some candidates. I can show you they need 5 candidates of petrol mechanic. So if you are a petrol mechanic, you have experience and you have already the qualifications, then you can apply for these jobs. So they need the golf return. So if you are already working in any Gulf country as a petrol mechanic, then you can apply for these jobs. They will pay the salary 220 to 250. It's Oman currency. So they will provide the accommodations depending on experience. So they need also 5 candidates of petrol and diesel mechanic. Also they need golf returns. Salary they will provide the same 220 to 250 Oman currencies plus accommodations. Depending on experience, they can increment your salary. And also they need 5 candidates of Denter. They also need golf returns. Salary also paid 200 to 220 plus accommodations. This salary is in Oman currency. Depending on experience, they can improve your salary. And they need 5 candidates of spray painter. Also same, they need golf returns. Every candidates they need golf returns. Golf return means you should have already working in any golf country as in these positions. Then only they can accept. So they'll provide the salaries 200 to 220 plus accommodations. Then next, they need 5 candidates of auto electrician. Also they need golf return and salary will be 200 to 220 Oman currency plus accommodations. Depending on experience, it can be increased. So in you can see here every positions petrol mechanic, petrol and diesel mechanic, denter, spray painter, auto electrician, every positions they need golf return. That means they need experience holders. So if you are already working in any Gulf country as a petrol mechanic or as a petrol or diesel mechanic or as a denter or as a spray painter or as a auto electrician, then only you can apply for these jobs. So now I'm going to tell you how to apply. They also mention the service charges in Indian rupees. In Indian currency, they need 55,000 plus ticket. And they accept only ECNR passport. ECR passport they cannot accept. So the condition is you should have a ECNR passport to apply for these jobs, and you should have already working in any Gulf country as the above positions. So if you are already working in any positions and you have experience, then don't be late. This is the applying process. How to apply? Kindly send CV with contact number for telephonic interview and salary negotiations with relevant experience. From this guy, you can see here he shared his name and his official number, his office and his contact numbers and also official email ID. So first of all, you have to contact this guy, and first of all you have to send your documents to this email id, given email id, and verify with them about the requirements and about the jobs. So as my knowledge, this is very good and genuine office and genuine persons, so you can contact directly to him and you can ask about the requirements. So there is very limited time to apply, so don't be late. This information I already shared in the descriptions under the video. Go to the descriptions under this video and collect this information and try to contact this and try to send your CV and your documents to this given email ID. So this guy will guide you what is the positions and what is the conditions to apply for these jobs and how to apply. So once again I would like to remember you, they need petrol mechanic 5 candidates, They need petrol and diesel mechanic 5 candidates, Denter 5 candidates, spray painter 5 candidates, and auto electrician 5 candidates. And the job is in Oman, and the office name is a leading insurance company workshop in Oman. So if you are interested to work any of these positions, you can directly contact this guy and ask this guy. One thing more I would like to say here: don't provide any single money to any persons. First of all, you have to contact, you have to verify, you have to attend the interview. After everything is finished, after you getting work, after you getting jobs, you can talk about the money. So if you will give to any single money to any persons, I'm not responsible for that. I'm telling you very straightly. So I get information and I'm sharing with you. Your responsible is you have to verify this office, you have to verify these contact numbers, you have to verify these persons, and once you getting sure about the jobs, then you can talk about the monies. I don't want any guy and any of my viewers, any of my subscribers, they will face any type of cheating. So I'm telling you again and again, don't talk about any a single money with any persons. First of all, you have to verify this office, verify these persons, and ask this about these jobs and this process. So my suggest, if you have experience and you are already working in Gulf country, don't be late. Which position you want to apply, contact this guy and ask him about your positions. Then he will guide you how to apply and how to get these jobs. So I hope this information will be needful for your careers. I hope this information will be valuable for you. So please keep in mind, this all information is in the descriptions. Go to the descriptions and collect these informations. And if you are interested and you have the experience in a Gulf country, then you can apply by contact these persons by sending your documents to this official email ID. So I would like to tell you one thing more. I'm getting so many confusing comments. The subscribers and the viewers are confusing that how to apply. My dears, I already shared this information in the descriptions. Go to the descriptions, collect this information and these contact details. You can apply directly. So don't be confused and don't need to be worried, because all information is in front of you. You have to verify, you have to apply by yourselves, and don't do the mistake like you drop your numbers, you drop your email ID in the comment box. Don't do that, because I don't want any of my viewers or any of my subscribers will face any problem with their numbers or with their email ID. Like example, somebody maybe misutilize your email ID or your number. So I don't want that. So please don't drop your numbers and email ID in the comment box. Don't be confused. First point is your confusion. So many viewers confusing that how to apply. I'm telling you again and again in my all previous videos that every video descriptions with of informations, all the information about the latest requirements. So you have, when you watching this video, you have to go to descriptions under this video. This information is there. You have to collect this and you have to read this, then you will know how to apply and what is the applying process. So don't be confused. So in this requirement, in these openings, I can suggest you go to the descriptions and collect this informations, and any of position you are interested, you can apply by contact these persons. I'm telling you again and again, because in my previous videos I already sharing that don't be confused. Every video having descriptions. Under these descriptions, all information is there. Still I am getting confusing comments. Some viewers asking me how to apply. Some viewers drop their numbers and they comment, please call me, I want to apply for these jobs. Please don't do that, because this information I already shared in the descriptions. You have to read it carefully, then you will know how to apply. So don't be confused. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. In the next video, I will share with you another latest requirements, new jobs from another country. So stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.